Hey, what's up, everybody? I wanted to come to you and give you a little brief update after the two things I said you needed to be aware of just the other day. Well, those two things happened, and wow, it's been an interesting market to say the least. First of all, NVIDIA reported earnings that were absolutely spectacular. Believe it or not, they were better than anybody expected. And the CEO, Jensen Huang, even made a comment to say that business is better than anybody realizes. That was very positive for the stock in the very short term. We'll talk about that in just a second. Shortly thereafter, this morning, in fact, we got jobs data. Now, this is jobs data that has been delayed because the government hasn't been in session. So this is actually jobs data going back to September. Now, what's very interesting about this jobs data is it was favorable. It was positive. We added more jobs than was anticipated. Now, you would think that's really good for the economy, right? More people are working. That's a positive, right? Unfortunately, if we're adding more jobs, that means that the interest rate market might be exactly where it should be, and the Fed doesn't need to cut rates. I know this is a lot, but stay with me. If they cut rates, they're trying to stimulate the economy, and that's good for business. If they don't need to cut rates and rates stay where they are, that means that the interest to buy things like a car or a house or a corporation that's looking to expand will spend a lot more money to borrow funds because those interest rates right now are quite high. So, despite the NVIDIA numbers last night that were very positive, this morning's interest rate move after the jobs data was not favorable for the market at all. And after a strong start to the day, the market sold off considerably. And now we are significantly in the red, and everything seems to be down. So it's really interesting to see that even though we got good news out of both the largest company in the world and the economy, it's not great for stocks because of the interest rates. We'll keep watching this closely, but it's very important to know that there's so much more going on than just a earnings announcement or jobs data. There's so many things behind the scenes that you need to be aware of. So that's a little update I just wanted to bring you. So now you know some more things that are going on this week.